Yo, what's going on, everybody? X Landscape here, back with another video. And today I got a little upgrade for you. Alright, so those of you guys who use or are familiar with the XJet M5, this is the piece that we all use. This enables you to, instead of downstreaming, this enables you to use these little color-coded tips. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you guys are familiar with it, these tips, they break, they clog, you lose them. So these tips, they work, but a lot of people, what they do is they'll batch mix. And if you're not familiar with that, basically what you do is you pre-mix your chemical in a bucket, run this thing wide open without a tip, and that will give you your ratio. If you don't want to batch mix and you find it a pain in the ass, see, I typically use a 10% solution when I do my soft washes for houses, and I'll use the beige tip right here, and that's a 10-to-1, which gives me like a 1% solution. So I've gone through a couple of these tips here already, and I just came across a new product from XJet that's not even available in stores yet, and I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so what you're replacing is this little tip here with something that's going to last a lot more than these little plastic jobs, and that is this right here. Oh yeah, stainless steel proportioner kit from XJet, only available in, actually I don't even think it's available yet. I reached out to the company, saw it on their website, and I was able to get a hold of it. So I'm gonna open this thing up and show you what's included. Alright, so what's included is, obviously, you get this little plastic case. You get a new stainless steel barb fitting for your hose, little wrench, and you get these stainless steel tips. Alright, so these are going to replace these plastic tips that clog up and get broken and melt and all this stuff, with something that's going to last you pretty much forever. And yeah, you get a bunch of them here. So on these tips, they're going to be labeled A, B, C, D, and E. Alright, now if you look on here, A, B, C, D, and E, it's going to give you, so I'm going to use the C tip, which is, I have a 4 gallon per minute machine. I don't know if you guys can see the small writing, 4 gallon per minute, and that's going to give you the 10-to-1 that I usually use with the beige tip on this card. So C is going to give you, yeah, 10-to-1 with a 4 gallon per minute machine. Let's go ahead and change this thing out. Alright, so I'll spill these out, and we're going to look for the C tip here. It's A, B, and here's our C tip right there. So throw these in there. So this is the tip we're going to use. It has the same size orifice as the beige tip that I currently use. Right there. I mean, these things are like 20 bucks if you got to buy a whole pack of these things, which it's really, I mean, they work, they don't work. But these are, I think I paid like $35, and it's a huge upgrade because this is going to last forever as opposed to these plastic craps. So I'm going to show you how to change this thing out. Alright, so here's your XJet M5, and this has the original brass hose fitting, hose barb on there. Let me get a wrench, take this off, and we'll get rocking and rolling. Now if you hear a little background noise, it's my neighbor. He's cutting his grass, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear me. But I'm just going to go ahead and take this brass hose fitting off, and that's just lightly screwed in there. And we're going to go ahead and replace it with this new stainless fitting. There you go, that just screws. right in there. Alright, that's that. So now your regular hose fitting looks like this. This one is threaded. So what's going to allow you to do is these new fittings have threads, and you're just going to go ahead and plop that in here. Just give it a little bit snug with this little tool that it comes with, little mini wrench. No, nothing crazy, just there you go, right there, tight enough. And that's it, man. That's it. That's all you need to do. So now what you do, I mean, you take this, throw it in there. Your what the hell did I do? See what I'm saying? These bags just fly all over the place and you lose them, and they're like $20 for a package of tips. So what I'm going to do is just throw these in there. If I ever need to use them as a spare, which I highly doubt, they're in this little container. So I'm not sponsored by these guys, and I'm not sponsored by the place where I bought them, but I will leave a link in the description. As far as I know, I'm one of the first people here in the United States to have these things. So I'll leave a link in the description to purchase these bad boys. Like I said, this is a huge upgrade. I've been using this XJet for a little while now. I have a smaller machine. I just upgraded to a bigger machine, and why not upgrade the tool that I use the most? So, all right. So in addition to the new tips from XJet, what I did was I got another pretty decent upgrade. I mean, it's pretty simple, but it works, and that is the XJet pail. Alright, so what I typically was doing was filling up a bucket with 4 to 5 gallons of SH, carrying the thing around, and it was just spilling all over the place. And this just, it's so simple, but it works. It's just a barb fitting with a tube that goes down in the there, and it sucks up your chemical, and it doesn't spill. It's just so freaking stupid and simple, but it works. Just fill this container up with your straight sodium hypochlorite, chemical, whatever, degreaser, whatever you guys are using. Hook this up. It's hard to do one-handed, but hook that up, and now look, this thing can flop around. You can carry it just like so. It could tip over, and it's not going to get all over the place. And then obviously your other end here, your other end hooks up to your new fitting, and that's it, man. So like I said, it's just a quick video just to quickly show you guys this new upgrade. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is just a quick little video for you. The part number for this is XPP-SSK, and like I said, I'm not I'm not sponsored, and I don't get paid any money for this, but I will leave a link in the description down below, and you know, the place where you can purchase this thing. Alright guys, so hopefully this helps somebody out. If you guys like the video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright, later.